Just snagged some awesome software from Walmart and now you're staring blankly, wondering how to actually get it onto your computer. Don't worry, we've all been there. Let's break down the redemption process, step by step. First things first, find your redemption code. This is usually printed on your Walmart receipt, either directly below the software description or on a separate slip. It might also be emailed to you if you order online, so check your inbox and spam folders. Next, locate the software publisher's website or a specific redemption portal mentioned on your receipt or the software packaging. Once you're there, you'll typically find a field to enter your redemption code. Type it in carefully, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. After submitting your code, you should be directed to a download page. Click the appropriate download link for your operating system. While you're a Windows or Mac OS, for example, the software will then begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. You're usually in your downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement, and choosing your installation preferences. If you run into any snags during the redemption process, double-check that you've entered the redemption code correctly. If the problem persists, visit the software publisher's support page or contact Walmart customer service for assistance. They'll be happy to help you get everything up and running. Now go enjoy your new software.